What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Big Z here from Learn Bengali, and welcome to another Bengali tutorial with Big Z. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you the possessive adjectives in Bengali and in English, because I'm going to translate from English to Bengali. So, a possessive adjective in English and Bengali, here we come. Let's get started. Alright, so here we are, possessive adjective. What is it called in Bengali? Shambandha-soochok bisheshon. Yeah, it's not easy. Shambandha-soochok bisheshon. And I've written that in English too. Shambandha-soochok bisheshon. Yeah, I've written it right. And it's definitely not easy, but here it is. Possessive adjectives. Shambandha-soochok bisheshon. I'm getting confused too. Here we are. Let's read it out in English first. My, your, his, her, our, their, and its. Okay, so you got my is amar. Amar. Amar, right? Yeah. Your is tomar, informal, and apnar is formal. I'm sure you guys know what that is. Tomar and apnar. I've mentioned them many times in my previous videos, so it should not be an issue for you guys to understand that. His or her is tar or tahar. Tar or tahar. Tahar is kind of like a Shuddha Bangla kind of, but we use tar all the time. Straight up. Tar, oh, I didn't mention tahar here. Let's just add that up. Tahar. There you go. Tahar. So it's a to here. It's not the to. So it's to. Tahar. It's not the tahar. No. It's not that. So that's informal. If you want formal, his or her, which is, I got it right here. Tar or tahar. So it's exactly the same as this, except we have a chandra bindu on top of this to here. So you have to use your nasal cavity a little whenever you're saying ta. It's not ta, it's ta. Tahar or ta, right? So it's just you have to use your nasal cavity to incorporate the Chandra Bindu. Chandra Bindu, yeah, it's interesting. Once again, if you are wondering what that is, check out my consonant lessons, okay? So tar or tahar, that's that's a little formal, like we usually use that anytime we're mentioning someone older, right? So yeah, that's that. And we got R is amader. It's not amader, it's amader. Do here, right? See, you got amader. Do ekar and ro, amader. And then we got there, it's tader or tader. Tader or ta. See, tader. Or you can say tahader too. But that we don't, like I said, tahader, we don't use that much, right? Tahader, no, that's not used that often. So tader or tader. For a formal situation. Well, I mean, anytime you're mentioning someone older, right? So that's that. Tader is for younger or informal, and tader is older and informal cases. That's that. And it's etar or er. Etar or er. Etar. Etar or er. It's is used case by case. Well, etar or er is used case by case in Bengali. By native speakers, it's not used that often. You know, it's used very seldom. Okay. So I'm not going to include that in the sentences down here. So once again, go over that. My is amar, your is tomar, informal, apnar is formal. Okay, his or her is tar or tahar, or you can say tar, tahar. The tahar, that's formal right there, and the tar, tahar is informal. All right, tar, tahar, tar, tahar, tar, tahar. Oh, I'm getting confused. R is amader, there is tader, it's etar or er, etar or er. And once again, this is not used that often. It's used very seldom in Bengali. Okay, so here we go. Got our sentences here. I got everything covered, I think. Let's see. This is my book. Eta amar boi. Eta amar boi. See, eta amar boi. Eta amar boi. Okay. Don't say Bo. Bo is different. Bo is wife, okay? Let's not use that. Eta amar boy. Okay, it's done. This is your pen. Eta tomar kolom. Eta tomar kolom. Eta tomar kolom. Kolom. So pen is kolom, right? Kolom. And this is tomar. Or you can say eta apnar kolom. Just use apnar here. That's it. That's gonna be formal. Oh, eta apnar kolom. Sorry, boss. Eta apnar kolom. And now what is this? This is his or her house. Eta tar basha, or you can say bari. Once again, I've used the informal tar here as well. Tar, eta tar basha or bari. In Bengali we usually use basha, but you can use bari too. That's not a problem, right? People say, oh, he bought a house, so it's like, oh, she একটা বাড়ি কিনছে. So that's that, but you can use basha, no problem. You can use either one of them, okay? So this is his or her house, eta tar basha or eta tar basha, right? So what is this? This is our house, eta আমাদের বাসা. This is our house. This is our house, eta আমাদের বাসা. Or you can say এটা আমাদের বাড়ি, এটা আমাদের বাড়ি. Right, right. And last but not least, this is their property. এটা তাদের সম্পত্তি. Property, this gets tricky here. সম্পত্তি. I've written that in English here. সম্পত্তি. So this is mo and po together. And this is to all together gives you this hybrid alphabet here. But yeah, just you can just use house here in this case. Okay, this is their house, এটা তাদের বাসা, right? But property is সম্পত্তি, just letting you guys know. And what else did I miss? Okay, let's go over that one more time. This is my book, এটা আমার বই. This is your pen, এটা তোমার কলম. This is his house, এটা তার বাসা. This is her house, এটা তার বাসা. Exact same thing. His or her is তার, right? And if you want to go formal, you can say এটা তার বাসা, তার বাসা. Someone who's older, right? When you're mentioning someone older, right? That's that. All right. This is our house. এটা আমাদের বাসা. Or you can say এটা আমাদের বাড়ি. No problem. This is their property. এটা তাদের সম্পত্তি. এটা তাদের সম্পত্তি, right? এটা তাদের সম্পত্তি. Or এটা তাদের সম্পত্তি if you're talking about someone older and trying to be professional. But yeah, that's that from me for this time. Any question, comment, let me know. Otherwise, yeah, thank you very much for watching my videos, and do not forget to subscribe. Big Z out.